Hi, this is Frank Thomas of Adaptive Corporation. Our video today is going to cover just a basic overview of PolyWorks. PolyWorks is inspection reporting software, so we use it to be able to work with CAD data, and then we can 3D scan physical parts, we can probe them with CMMs, and we can compare the physical part to the CAD data to make sure that it's within spec, to make sure that it's within tolerance. So the process is really pretty simple. We start with, of course, the CAD data. The CAD data can be from any CAD system, so we can work with step or IGES data. Plus, we have the ability to work with CAD native data as well, if you prefer. And then we support virtually any scanner. So in our case, we used a Creaform. It's called a HandyScan 3D scanner. And the output of the Creaform scanner is simply an STL file. So after we've done the 3D scan, we hit File, Save as STL. So into PolyWorks, I just open up the STL. So that the CAD is in the gray here. The STL file is in the gold color down here. And our job today is we're going to inspect this top flange surface and the port here. We're going to look for diameter and true position because those surfaces made up with another part. The customer also wanted to be able to inspect this side flange as well as true position and size of the side port because again it's going to made up with another part. So after we have the CAD and scan data open, the next thing that we want to do is we want to perform an alignment. In our example, we're going to perform a best fit alignment. And what you'll see is it's literally a 3 mouse click operation. So it's very simple, very quick. That said, usually after we do a best fit alignment, we're going to normally get into some kind of a datum alignment. Kind of depends on the specification of the 2D drawing. Just for this example and simplicity's sake, PolyWorks will support virtually any kind of a datum alignment, but we're just going to work with the best fit alignment for today. The next thing that we might do is we might want to inspect create a color map so that I've got some actual measurements here in terms of how we're deviating from nominal. Now just visually based on the best fit alignment you can see here that we've got some gray area here on a casting. I would want to see all gold color. So I may have a little bit of a problem on this top surface because you can see that the CAD is breaking out here. On the side surface it looks like we're probably okay. But let's make sure. Let's create a color map. Again, another 3-step operation. And in this example of the color map, what we've done is we've set up a range that is anything that is in green is plus and minus 30 thou. Anything that is in blue is a positive greater than 30 thou. Anything that is in red is a minus surface condition, so negative 30 thou. So you can see clearly I probably have a problem on this top surface. The end result of this is that we're going to create an inspection report that looks pretty much like this. So we're going to say, first we started with the 3D CAD data from SolidWorks in this example. And then we have the 3D scan data. We did the best fit alignment, mating up the 3D CAD to the 3D scan data. And then we performed our best fit alignment. And then after we did our best fit alignment, we probed some points and we took some surface measurements and determined deviation from nominal, which in this case was plus and minus 30 thou. And you can see what points passed and failed. And then we got into, measuring the top bore. And you can see that on the top bore, we looked at the diameter, plus and minus the tolerance, as well as true position. And PolyWorks also gives me the ability to further interrogate my model to be able to create cross-sections if need be, and analyze those cross-sections. So that's just a quick overview of PolyWorks covering being able to work with CAD data, work with virtually any kind of scan data, and then create an inspection report. In this case, it's a PDF that I can save to my hard drive and then forward that via email and share my inspection results. I hope you found today's video helpful. Thank you for joining us.